Come test drive the 2017 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, keyless entry, electronic stability control, clock, trip computer, heated front seats, compass, security alarm, bucket seats, outside temperature gauge. Your new ride is just a phone call away.